Howdy y'all, welcome back to Gunsnbbq. Today we have an unpackaging video, so let's get to her. As I normally do, I went and took advantage of Free Patch Friday over at Gear Websites. And, well, as always, since I spent good money on this stuff, I'm going to show it off. And if you like watching these videos, thank you. I hope you keep watching. If not, well, I guess, you know, stay tuned for whatever I decide to post next. Apparently G-Webs is still got his shoebox of knives, so got another free pocket knife. That would be number 3 for me. And I honestly, like I said before with the other two, I actually really enjoy them because, well, I do a lot of things with pocket knives that I probably shouldn't do, you know, whether it's opening a paint can or, you know, just, I hate opening boxes with a good knife. You get adhesive all over your blade, it dulls it out really quick, things like that. So cheap knives like that, I really like to use to do that. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. Looks like we got one of the free patches that says joke. Not sure what exactly that's reference to, but hey, I kind of like the look of it, so that's all that matters, right? Having trouble with this one. Looks like it's G-Webs G. Hopefully that's focusing. And then last but not least, for the free patches, this one is a PVC patch. So was that G one, by the way. Looks like this says fuck it. You guys can see it, right? So there you go. I'm gonna get done struggling, you know, trying to see those because, well, I couldn't. No sense in sitting here having you stare at the screen for nothing. But to get on to what I ordered, just got some of the Firearms Inventors playing cards. That's all I ordered. So you can see, you know, we got a couple nice free things because all I ordered was this little bit, and that's what Free Patch Friday can get you sometimes. I have a bit of a patch addiction, so I'm gonna throw those cards in with my Old West playing cards. Really like the gun card decks. They're just nice to, you know, when you got buddies over or something, makes a little bit of a conversation piece. You can learn a little bit. They're pretty fun. So something to keep in mind. So let's get into this knife real quick. Get her open, and we'll see what's happening here. Hopefully this one isn't sticky like that one, because man, it's sticky. That's all right. I say that's that hot Arizona sun just doing a number on these packagings. But hey, this is once again a different one entirely yet again, which is always awesome because, well, you know, when it's a different knife, you know, that's even better, right? So let's see, that serrations feel pretty sharp. It feels like it, if you're gonna, by the way, massage your knife blades, be sure to do it very carefully as they are sharp. It doesn't feel like the sharpest blade I've ever felt, but those serrations definitely have some bite. So that is it for this round of orderings from Gear Websites. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit one of those thumbs if you would, please. Comment, share, subscribe. Keep your guns firing, your smoker smoking, and I will catch y'all next time. Thank you.